आर यू अर्निंग मोर देन बिफोर? क्या आपकी सैलरी बढ़ गई है? आप अच्छा कमा रहे हो, लाइफस्टाइल भी इंप्रूव हो गई है, पर फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं अंदर एक पैसे को लेके बहुत ज्यादा एंजाइटी है। यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग कि मेरा पैसा कम पड़ रहा है, ये पैसा कहाँ जा रहा है मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है। वाई एम आई अर्निंग मोर बट नॉट फीलिंग सेफ? बिकॉज लॉजिकली इफ यू थिंक ऑफ इट, more money should mean more security. But psychologically, this does not always happen. Let's find out why. Hi, friends. My name is Nayantara, and I'm a counselor and psychologist. I'm here to help you to get to know yourself better. Today, we are talking about how more money may not always lead to better sense of security. And let's dive deeper into this. जब सैलरी बढ़ती है तो लाइफस्टाइल भी अपग्रेड हो जाता है। बेटर हाउस, बेटर ब्रांड्स, ईटिंग आउट मोर, ट्रैवलिंग मोर और बाइंग मोर थिंग्स। और धीरे धीरे ये चॉइसेस नेसेसिटीज में बदल जाती हैं। और प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप जितना ज्यादा कमाते हो, आपकी लाइफ का जो बेसलाइन होता है वो बढ़ जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पहले आप रेगुलर ऑयल यूज करते थे। धीरे धीरे जब आप कमाने लगे, यू फेल्ट आई कैन बाय अ बेटर ब्रांड ऑफ ऑयल, सो यू स्टार्टेड बाइंग a cold pressed oil. Now when you go and buy your regular groceries, you will not go to the brand you used to buy before. Now you are buying a cold pressed oil, which obviously costs a little more. So the baseline that you were running at, which was regular oil, now you are buying a better brand and the baseline increases. The same thing happens with the cosmetics you use, the shoes you're wearing, the clothes that you're buying, and even the locality that you are staying in. Now, in this scenario, even a small dip feels scary. पहले 30,000 में लाइफ अच्छी चल रही थी, अब 1.5 लाख भी कम लगने लग रहे हैं। Because it is not just about income anymore, it is about maintaining your lifestyle. और जब आपकी लाइफस्टाइल आपकी आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है, तो money becomes an issue which can shake your very identity. The next issue is constant exposure and constant comparison. Now you will think कि मैं बार बार इस चीज के बारे में बात करती रहती हूँ, but the fact is that we are always looking at others to see where we are in life. We have spoken about how we use social comparison to understand where we are standing. आप ये financial needs में भी करते हो। आप सिर्फ अपनी इनकम और अपना लाइफस्टाइल नहीं, आप बाकी सबको भी देख रहे हो। जब आपका लाइफस्टाइल इंप्रूव हो जाता है, then you also start sometimes changing your company. Your social group also changes and you start looking at their lifestyle. You think कि मैं अगर 1.5 लाख कमा रही हूँ और मैं छुट्टी पे नहीं जा पा रही हूँ, but they are earning the same money and they are also traveling. So what do I need to do to keep up with them? Or where am I falling short? और ये कंपैरिजन सिर्फ फिजिकल नहीं है, सोशल मीडिया के द्वारा ये कंपैरिजन बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है। इस स्टैंडर्ड को मेंटेन करने के लिए बहुत एंजाइटी हो जाती है कि बाकी सब जो कर रहे हैं वो मैं नहीं कर पा रही। एंड द स्ट्रगल विथ मेंटेनिंग अ स्टैंडर्ड इज दैट स्टैंडर्ड इज नेवर स्टेबल बिकॉज समवन इज ऑलवेज अहेड ऑफ यू। किसी ने ज्यादा सेविंग कर रखी है, कोई ज्यादा ट्रैवल कर रहा है, कोई ज्यादा कमा रहा है या कोई उसको ज्यादा स्पेंड कर रहा है। When you are looking at others, you always feel maybe I am the one who's lacking money because you are looking at shifting benchmarks. The third reason is that money can be more than just a physical means of survival. It becomes your emotional security. In fact, I just want to pause and recommend a really good book for any of you who like reading is The Psychology of Money. This book will really help you understand your mind and how it relates to something physical like money. So, money can be more than just a survival need. It becomes a blanket of emotional security. In our previous generations, stability meant having a job, having a family, and a good support system. But today, our times are very uncertain. Because of a global economy, layoffs बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, startup failures हो जाते हैं, jobs are not permanent but always on contract, and there is a rising inflation which keeps going up and down. impacting what we are earning and how much we are spending. So naturally हमें ज़्यादा कंट्रोल चाहिए और वो कंट्रोल हम पैसों के थ्रू ढूंढते हैं. We then look at money not just as a means of survival but as a way of gaining control over this uncertain life. So money can become your safety, it can become your means of freedom, your sense of self-respect can be attached to it, and it can even be your life's backup plan. अब सारी चीजें अगर मनी पे टिकी हों, इतनी सारी नीड्स अगर मनी पे टिकी हों, तो मनी कैन नेवर फील इनफ. The more you have, the lesser it will be, because all these needs are dependent on money. You are earning to feel safe. And the more you earn, the more you hope to feel safe. But it doesn't always happen that way. Because the problem is not कि आप कम कमा रहे हो. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इनकम तो बढ़ रही है, बट इनसिक्योरिटी का जो सोर्स है वो एड्रेस नहीं हो रहा है. Because financial anxiety is not about numbers. It is what that number represents. Does money represent security to you? Does it represent control? Does it justify your sense of self-worth? So, the question may not be, am I earning enough? That, of course, is there. People do need to look at that as well. But it is also important to look at, what am I expecting money to fix in my life? Because money can improve your lifestyle, but it cannot address the emotional needs that you have. It will never be able to fix those. Money can never fully replace your clarity. It can never give you a strong sense of stability deep inside, emotional stability. And it will never be your sense of enough as a person. So जब तक आप अपना enough नहीं define करोगे, more money will always keep feeling less. Hi friends, thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, do share it with a few friends, and do subscribe to our channel to explore more such videos and more such themes. Thanks for watching.